Alright, so today we're going to practice computing state income tax, which is a little bit simpler. So in addition to federal taxes, most states require a specific amount to be withheld from your paycheck for state income tax purposes. This amount might be a certain percentage of your taxable wages, which depends on the number of personal exemptions or withholding allowances you claim to support your family. So these personal exemptions, I wrote it out here. There's a table in the book, but I just wrote it out. If you're single, they withhold $2,000. If you're married, $4,000, and then $2,000 for each dependent. So that's for this part. You take your annual gross pay, you subtract these exemptions, and then you take those. So whatever your answer is from that, you multiply it by the tax rate to find out how much tax is withheld. So we'll do a couple examples. So let's look at number one. I'm just going to ignore what's already written here. Martin Taber's gross pay is $28,500. The state income tax rate is 3.5%, so that's 0.035 as a decimal. If Taber takes a single exemption for himself, how much is withheld yearly from state income tax? So we take that $28,500 and subtract the $2,000 because he's single. So this is our new number. Then we multiply, why did they do 27,000? They should have taken the 26,500 and multiplied it by 0.035. So they're actually wrong on this paper. 26,500 times 0.035. So they're going to withhold $927.50. Let's practice with some other. Alright, so we have our gross pay. They're married with two dependents. So married is $4,000 plus another $4,000, so that's $8,000 withheld. So that's $30,550 because I would subtract, and we're going to multiply that by 0.03. And I would get $916.50. Let's do number three. The gross pay is this, single, so that means we're going to subtract $2,000 with no dependents, and then it's 3.75%, so that's 0.003. No, it's not 0.00, it's 0.0375. So let's first do 24,872 minus 2,000. So it's 22,872 times 0.0375. And so that's how much would be deducted. So why don't you guys try number 4, and that would be your last question on this video.